welcome to the KLM flights to Jakarta with me. So KLM operates this Fifth Freedom Rights. A Fifth Freedom Right means the KLM flies from Amsterdam to Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia and onward to Jakarta. So it's flying beyond Netherlands from Malaysia to Indonesia. This is the Fifth Freedom Rights. And the price is very low, so for about €150 business class. So this is the cheapest way to try the KLM business class. Hi, hello. Thank you. The best thing I found the Golden Lounge, the most amazing aspect is the open kitchen here. It's like a food heaven, just like the country Malaysia. It has all types of beautiful, great food, like street food, and all sort of exotic juices and laksa, and they've got a coffee barista there to make fresh coffee. So this is a really nice feature here. This is a joy factor to come to the lounge to enjoy.
Mr. Q.
Hi, how are you? Hey.
Thank you very much. 6A. We knew you were coming.
Ah, good, good.
Please come aboard. Follow
All
me,
right,
please.
I'll follow you, yes.
Welcome, Mr. Q.
Hi, how are you doing? So guys, KLM here is the world's most AFGeek-friendly airline. When the captain sees me coming in, he invites me to the cockpit, he let me sit down on the left-hand seat. He's actually filming me as well, and he's showing me all this instrument panel, explaining about the performance, about everything about the 777. So if you're an aviation geek, there's a bonus to fly KLM.
We have actually a camera outside which we can actually check everything. Because normally the aircraft is so large.
Yes. So long, the airplane.
Yeah, and then because it's hard to have a feeling when the taxi tracks are very narrow. And you can actually see exactly where your wheels are, so you won't end up in the grass.
What's the flight time today?
The flight time is going to be 1 hour and 43 minutes.
Oh, quite long. 1 hour 43. What will be cruising at?
We'll be cruising at about 35,000 feet.
35,000.
You can actually see the two front doors are open, so passengers are still
we have a full flight, you know?
Yeah, it's always good.
The cabin crew said like today there was some other airline cancel a flight, so we're gonna pick up all their loads.
That's always good. Well, we try never to cancel.
Just gonna have some light rain coming in KL. Maybe you think we're gonna have a chance for thunderstorm?
Yeah, there's always a chance for thunderstorms. And actually you can see it starting to rain now, so we have to make a new performance calculation.
Oh!
Because it's always different when you have to stop at high speed on a very wet track.
Yeah, so it's runway condition wet.
Yeah. Recalculation with a wet runway, because outside you can see it's actually starting to rain now. And then it's sent to the computer, and that will actually make the calculation, and then it will...
As you can see here, the sky is getting darker by the minutes, and we push back and then it starts raining already. Big thunderstorm in the afternoon is looming. There's a crazy thunderstorm underway in KL at the moment. There was a crazy burst of energy from the sky. you know, really loud thunderstorm, loud bang. So we're just holding on the taxiway right now. We're unable to take off.
Ladies and gentlemen, very good afternoon. The captain, my name is Ruud Jurgens. First of all, welcome on board. As you notice, we are standing still now. We taxied out to the runway, and we have to wait a few minutes for the thunderstorms. When we go and take off, it's behind us, so we do not start when it's not safe. So please be patient, and in a few minutes it's our turn for the takeoff. Ladies and gentlemen, the captain, as you notice, outside the weather is improving, visibility is very good now. Within a few minutes we will start our takeoff, and I wish you a very pleasant flight.
The KLM in-flight entertainment is very simple to use, very clear. I was able to touch screen and select the latest movie selection. My seat is really comfortable with excellent padding. The footwell is also big. The only downside of these seats is you have to hop over someone to get out if you are sitting by the window. I would recommend row 6 for business class flyer, as this row is the single row in the second mini cabin, so it has more private and exclusive feel. This is my neighbor today, sitting next to me. He's Marcel from... You're not Marcel.
Martin.
Martin. This is Martin from Amsterdam, from Netherlands.
Yes,
Amsterdam?
that's correct. Amsterdam, correct.
Okay. How tall are you?
Well, I'm 195, so that would be 6'5".
I'm taller, but you are taller than me. Like, there's no market for me in Netherlands. Everyone's taller than me. There's no short people in Netherlands.
That makes it easier, yeah.
Right.
For you, it would be good.
Tell me, why you fly KLM? Is this you like KLM or you don't like KLM?
No, I'm a big fan actually. I fly KLM about 20 times a year.
Oh.
And I like it a lot.
Pretty good flyer.
Yes, absolutely. And well, a few things I like. One is it's a really good airline for tall people. Because of several reasons. They have more space for legs and more different seats, which are good for tall people.
You think when this seat goes fully flat, were you able to sleep well?
Yeah,
like this?
because they have. That's why it's a bit diagonal there, but it's.
Your leg can go.
Yeah,
further.
It's
interesting point. So you prefer KLM over Ryanair?
I'm not going into Ryanair anymore.
Okay, we're not flying Ryanair.
No.
All right. You can speak Indonesian?
Bahasa Indonesia sedikit.
Oh, you speak more Indonesian than I do. I only know like apa kabar.
Apa kabar? Baik would be the answer.
And terima kasih. That's
oh, wow.
I know. It's a shame because I have lots and lots of followers in Indonesia.
Okay.
And I always want to do something for my Indonesian followers because they're so nice and so cool, you know, the people in Indonesia. But I need to pick up more bahasa.
Yeah, they're among the friendliest people in the planet. I genuinely believe so.
Martin told me the KLM dining ware is designed by the famous Dutch designer Marcel Wenders. KLM serve a full tray dinner on our 1 hour 40-minute short flight. The meals on offer are inspired by Indonesian cuisine. I'm really surprised. KLM on this short flight, they have a Indonesian-inspired cuisine menu in business class. This thing here is a fish cake. I found the name is called Otak. It's some Palembang-style fish cake. So it's really cool that short flight, they actually spend effort to have Indonesian food on board. And by the way, I always love the Dutch. I love these little shoes, the red shoes here. It's a full house flight. And I see the crew is extremely busy. They're still helping me to make the video, which is very kind of them. As a YouTuber and as a vlogger, you know, our job is to, no matter rain or shine, thunderstorm or sunny weather, we gotta have the job done. We gotta deliver the video to the audience. Yeah, you're right. It's really long, that seats here. This is really long. Good for tall people, like Dutch people.
Yeah, I would say,
It's not
to be one of the longest business class bed, you know, not the short one. Very good, I like this. The padding is excellent. Very, very soft cushion. Good mattress. KLM has the economy comfort and economy at the back. So the economy comfort gives you a 5-6 more inches of leg room. So I'm just gonna try out this empty seat here. Wow, that leg room here is, you can instantly feel the leg room. It's, you know, and even the person in front of me is actually reclined. This is really good comfort because you see my leg, I can go straight. You can see my leg now, I can go all the way. It's super, super good leg room. This is really good for tall people like that. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Okay. There you go. You know what? She's actually taller than me. Like, yes. I'm a bit embarrassed actually. Look at her. Oh wait, come on.
No.
Come here.
No, I'm
see that? Oh, don't be shy. Hey, where are you? This is to all my fans and followers on Come Fly KLM and watch the YouTube video. This is the happiest moment on KLM. Towards the end of the flight, all the passengers in business class get to choose their favorite Dutch house collection. So I have a lot of missing, so I'm gonna take the whole tray home now. See you, bye.
Bye, enjoy.
Let's choose some odd shapes on, and this one is bigger than all of these, so it has to be a rich man's house in Holland. I like this one. This one has the...
I think that one is Anne Frank house, I think.
What's it called?
Anne Frank house.
Anne Frank house.
That's 57, I think.
Oh, you're right, 57. Number 57 in the back. So each house back there's a number. So I think it's now up to 97 houses. So you gotta keep flying KLM, then you can get all 97 in your collection. I bet there are people already done so. This is my chosen houses.
Yay.
Happy passenger.
Happy.
Well, overall I have an excellent Fifth Freedom flight operated by KLM to allow me to enjoy the latest World Business Class offering. I enjoyed the flight even though we went through a massive thunderstorm before takeoff. I had a very productive flight from visiting the cockpit to business class and trying out the economy comfort plus all the fun together with the staff. The staff has always been friendly and inviting. Not to mention I took 2 Dutch houses as souvenir home. Thanks for watching guys, see you next week again.